Cell phone has become a part of our body and definitely part of our life. And many companies make different colored and many of them have different applications. But there is a problem now. Everybody has a phone, but no phone company has ever taught how to use phone. How much duration? What is the ergonomics of using phone? How to hold? How much volume you should listen to? How long you should use phone? All these things. There are so many ergonomic factors which are neglected. And now, young children, even the babies, are also playing with the phones as a toys. Most of the toys have been replaced by parents' phones. Remember, most of the Android or Apple phones, they generate 0.5 to 1.2 gigahertz of microwaves. They can penetrate the temporal bone and reach the brain very easily. And the more the radiation of microwaves, we are more vulnerable for neurological disorders, headache, sleep disturbances, very early onset of Parkinsonism, myasthenia gravis. There are many. Till now, our medical sciences have not progressed to clearly determine which disease is because of phone. Taking this opportunity, today I want to teach you basics of ergonomics while operating phone. We are using a phone as a microcomputer. We are using a phone as a micro TV. Many people watch movies, serials, programs on mobile phone rather than a television or a computer. So while you watch this small screen on your phone, eyes have to focus more intensely. People become widened because letters are small. Eyes need to focus more stronger than watching on a cinema screen in theater. The next problem is when you hold a phone, most people are bending their head, that is forward head posture. This is an acquired wrong posture we are attaining while watching the phone. So your phone is at a waistline level or your head is bent forward, pushing the center of the gravity in front, putting a lot of load on the cervical spine and the lower back. This can become a cumulative trauma disorder. That means every day this pressure and the stress on the spine will gradually progress and ultimately spine becomes straightened. Ultimately disc will bulge out and people may develop multi-level disc disease much early in their life. So today I am demonstrating posture number 1. You keep your elbows close to your body and hold your phone in front, keeping your armpits closed, and you are watching the screen within your eye limits, visual limits, that is 15 to 35 degrees of viewing angle in front. So you don't need to bend your neck. You can just chin down, or without bending chin also, you can easily watch. If you want to talk from the same position, gradually take your arm close to your ears. Don't touch your phone to the ears. Keep at least 2 millimeters distance from the ear. This prevents a lot of dangers of microwaves are directly injecting into your head. Then you have another option. If you don't want to use phone directly, you can use hands-free cable or a simple headphone so that there is not much of radiation and you don't have to bend your neck sideways or forwards. Do not raise your arms sideways, opening your armpits and holding your phone and bending the neck opposite side. Especially people with mild frozen shoulder syndrome or stiff shoulder joints, they all will have a lot of trouble on the neck. They might get vertigo, that is a giddiness. They might get neurological paresthesia, that is a pain radiating onto your hands, muscle cramps over your upper back. All these are postural insults while handling a phone. Last but most important, if you use your phone more than 2 minutes, it increases the temperature of the phone and also the radiation over your ear and the brain. Definitely use phone, talk less, and do not watch movies and videos on phone. Plug onto your laptop, personal computer, or onto your smart screen of television. All these are good. So my dear friends, please be aware while using your phone during casual talk or even official meetings or while watching videos during travel. Follow these instructions and you will be really saving your spine. All the best. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my videos and do contact if you have any problems.